In this video, we will find out some interesting Revit functions of the RAUPIANO Plus offset branch family. In order to place vertical elements, it's always recommended to work in a section or in an elevation. To use a special connection, such as the offset branch family, you should first place the family. Then you can connect it to an existing pipe by selecting the family. On the Modify tab, click Connect to and select a connection from the list. Then click on the pipe. Another option is to select the family, right-click on the connection icon, and then draw a new pipe. You can choose whether you want to work with or without a slope by activating or deactivating the instance parameter raise slope. You can configure the family via the instance parameters ray unilateral double branch and ray flip. In the next video, we will find out the Revit functions of the RAUPIANO Plus reducer family. Thanks for watching. You can find more BIM tips and tricks on the BIM at REHAU channel.